The world is facing a crisis of an aging population. Uniring Technology launches Max robot to make manpower shortage a non-issue. Today's technological advances have made Max the perfect partner for the cleaning world. Max is equipped with multiple sensing devices to safely perform cleaning operations in changing environments. Overall usage time of up to 3 hours and sweeping an area of 600 square meters. Max robots can recognize people or obstacles in the utility area, alert them, and find the best path to continue sweeping. Owners and supervisors can also keep track of all the cleaning robots and their current locations on the remote unit. Data-driven reporting enhances cleaning management and improves overall cleaning service timeliness and peace of mind. Cleaning time is no longer limited by manpower issues. Max robots can be your backup.